Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're checking out the Turin DF64 Gen 2 coffee grinder. I've been seeing this one pop up everywhere. It seems like a real contender in the single-dose grinder world.
And I've got the Baratza Vario plus flat ceramic Burr grinder here. Baratza has a solid reputation, so I'm curious to see how it stacks up.
All right, let's dive in. First impressions? The Turin grinder boasts 64mm flat burrs, available in stainless steel or even DLC, diamond-like carbon, coated options. That's pretty serious for a home grinder, promising consistent particle size.
The Baratza uses 54mm ceramic flat burrs from Ditting, a well-known commercial burr manufacturer. Ceramic is interesting. It's supposed to stay cooler during grinding, which could preserve delicate coffee aromas. I suppose we'll find out. What about grind settings?
One cool feature of the Turin is the plasma generator. Apparently, it reduces static, which means less coffee clinging to everything. Anyone who's dealt with staticky grounds knows that's a huge plus.
That sounds handy. The Baratza focuses on timed dosing. You can save up to 3 time-based presets for automatic dosing, which is all about workflow and repeatability. Perfect if you dial in your settings.
So more about consistent volume, huh? The Turin has stepless adjustment, which basically gives you infinite grind settings. You can really fine-tune for any brewing method.
The Baratza has a whopping 220 steps of macro and micro grind adjustment. That's a lot of fine-tuning. Plus, it's calibrated at the factory for espresso, but you can adjust it for other methods too.
Both sound super precise. What about build quality? The Turin is built with heavy-duty metal, so it should be durable. It weighs about 15 pounds, so it's got some heft to it.
The Baratza also has an upgraded metal grind chamber, and it also weighs around 15 pounds. Seems they both are thinking about long-term use.
The Turin also has a powerful 250W motor with an auto-stop function for safety.
The Baratza uses a high-torque DC motor that runs quietly, so that's a plus. It also has an auto-resetting thermal cutoff switch. Noise is always a factor in the kitchen.
The Turin is compatible with aftermarket parts, like SSP burrs, if you want to upgrade later. That's a nice option for down the road.
The Baratza comes with a tool to easily calibrate the burrs, and the burrs are easily removable for cleaning without tools. So it's pretty user-friendly in that regard.
The Turin includes a 50 grams bellow hopper, a dosing cup, dosing collar, and anti-popcorn device.
The Baratza comes with a metal portafilter holder and a 180 grams grounds bin.
I guess it depends on what your workflow looks like.
The Baratza's 300 grams hopper can be removed even when it's full of beans. That's a nice touch for swapping roasts easily.
Okay, that is pretty convenient. The Turin has a low retention design to minimize waste.
Yeah, both seem like great options for serious coffee lovers. It really comes down to whether you prioritize timed dosing and ceramic burrs, or stepless adjustment and aftermarket customization.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.